Barbecue. Chicken Barbecue has earned the reputation of being one of the best in the country and popular for its unlimited price. However, your dining experience doesn't end with barbecue and it still provides customers with an array of choices that is sure to entice your taste buds. From meat to fish and seafoods, vegetables, and a lot of dishes that Filipinos and foreigners love to eat. Come on guys, let's eat!
Welcome po, nandito na naman tayo sa tour namin. Tutulong namin kayo kung saan tayo saan natin matutunghayan ang People's Park. Ito po ang People's Park na tinutukoy ko sa inyo. Marami tayong pwedeng lakbayin dito. At kung gusto nyo akong saman,
Stop at San Pedro Cathedral. Godspeed!
San Pedro Cathedral. No other place has ever captured my heart like Davao City. Why? Because there are a lot of things you can make your visit a lot of fun and you're going to get away. We all know that Davao has many things to be proud of. It is the reason that there is no surprise why many tourists go here. Why? Because they want to see the most seen church in the Davao City, which is the oldest church, the San Pedro Cathedral. It was named after San Pedro, the patron saint of Davao City. The interest of this church is the monumental structure and the interior of it. What makes this church the curious excited to behold of are the craving of their pictures and the monumentals about God. San Pedro Cathedral is the primary historical church because it was very accessible and it is located at the heart of downtown Davao City. And the churchgoers who come from the church of all masses. Never truly visited a church, a place unless you have visited the church. But the church that you should visit is the oldest church in Davao, which is San Pedro Cathedral. That is now recognized as a national cultural. Ano pang hinihintay natin? Come on and let's visit what is inside the San Pedro Cathedral.
Ang buhay namin handog naway matulad sa pag-aalay mo. Buhay na laang sa bulong sa pag-ibig ay kapos. Jesus, ang tinapay ng buhay pinaspasan, ialay. Walang ganap ang saang kaloob at pagsasalong walang hanggan. At pagsasalong walang hanggan.
hirap umawit mag-isa. Ang kasabay lumang gitara, parang walang saysay ang kilos ko sa mundo.
Pero ang kinabukasan mo, tungkulin ba ng ibang tao?
We're about to enter Davao Museum, guys. Come on, let's rock.
Minsa'y natuwa ang may likha, 7,000 pula
the rich history of Davao in the Philippines is by visiting the Davao Museum of History and Ethnography, or simply known as the Davao Museum. The rich cultural heritage of Davao stems from the different groups and tribes that populated the area throughout its history. For those interested, the best way to learn about this is by going to the Davao Museum. Let's go in!
Welcome to the Davao Museum, home of the collective memory and shared diversity of the peoples and cultures of Southern Mindanao. Prepare to enlarge your imagination by exploring ancient maps linking our islands to maritime Southeast Asia. Be a natural scientist as we take you to the geological origins and biological landscapes and seascapes of the Davao region. Go beyond tourism as we learn more about the treasures and unique practices of the Bagobas and other indigenous communities. Be part of history as we journey through more than 2 centuries of colonialism and resistance, migration and rebellion, conflict and development, and our continuous search for a dynamic identity that celebrates diversity. Madayao!
Davao Doctors College, one of the best schools in Davao City. Davao Doctors College is a non-sectarian academic institution in Mindanao, Philippines. It was established in 1975 as Davao Doctors Hospital of Nursing.
It was incorporated by a group of medical doctors in response to urgent demand of nurses in Davao Doctors Hospital. The college subsidiary company for its expanding curriculum, it officially became Davao Doctors College in 1981.
Welcome to Davao Doctors College. Davao Doctors College offers many courses, especially Bachelor of Science, Hospitality Management, major in Hotel and Restaurant Management. So enroll now!
Our cultural roots are deep and rich. They provide the very foundation of our future and mold our collective destiny for the many years ahead. And as we speak the language of modern civilization, a huge part of us still hums a song that has been sung hundreds of years ago. In our hearts, we already know why.
Makula nang kita'y magisna, ganda mo ay walang katulad.
Nais kong masilayang muli ang iyong kariktan.